Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the latest and greatest tools for your home and garden. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Greenworks Pro 80V 20-inch cordless electric snowblower, a powerful and convenient tool for clearing snow in the winter. This snowblower is powered by an 80-volt max Li-ion battery that provides up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge. It has a 20-inch clearing path and a 10-inch clearing depth, and it can throw snow up to 20 feet away with its 180-degree rotating chute. It also has dual LED lights for better visibility at night, and an easy fold system for storage or transportation. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's put it to the test and see how it performs in real life. But before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you're interested in buying this snowblower, you can find the link in the description below. Alright, let's get started. So, here's the snowblower in the box. It comes with the snowblower itself, a 2.0Ah battery, a charger, and a user manual. The assembly is very easy and straightforward. You just need to attach the handle, the chute, and the chute control rod, and tighten the knobs and bolts. It took me about 10 minutes to assemble it, and I didn't need any tools. The snowblower is very lightweight, only 37.8 pounds with the battery installed, and it has 6-inch rear wheels that make it easy to maneuver. The battery is also very easy to insert and remove, and it has a power indicator that shows you how much charge is left. The charger is a rapid charger that can fully charge the battery in 30 minutes, which is very convenient. The snowblower also has a brushless motor that delivers more torque, longer runtime, quieter operation, and longer life. And of course, it has the dual LED lights that allow you to see better in the dark. Now, let's see how it works. I have a lot of snow to clear today, as you can see. It snowed about 8 inches last night, and there are some drifts that are even higher. But I'm not worried, because this snowblower can handle it. Let me show you. Wow, this snowblower is amazing. It cleared my driveway, sidewalk, and patio in no time. It was very easy to use, and it had enough power to cut through the snow and throw it far away. The chute control rod was very handy, as I could adjust the direction of the snow discharge with a simple twist. The LED lights were also very helpful, as it was getting dark outside. And the best part is, I still have some battery left. I could probably clear another driveway with this charge. This snowblower is definitely a game changer for me. I don't have to worry about cords, gas, oil, or maintenance. I just have to pop in the battery and go. And when I'm done, I can fold the handle and store it in my garage or shed. It doesn't take up much space at all. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this snowblower, and if you have any questions or suggestions for me. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I post new videos every week, and I have some exciting tools to review in the future. You don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.